Hey everyone, Herbert Flores here from imherbertflores.com. Today I just want to share to you a new product and software that can help your business. So if you are looking for traffic, okay, that can generate sales, so this new and revolutionary WP plugin drives viral social traffic directly to handpicked content, monetize with your offers, and often forms for press leads and profits. So discover how to drive targeted social traffic for a massive boost up in sales without spending hours writing, posting. Okay, so if you have a blog, so you don't need to create an article every day. So all you need is to grab this software, okay, this Traffic Buddy. So Traffic Buddy, as we know, okay, so 90% of the internet marketers bills generating web traffic. So this is the number one challenge, okay, if you want to get more sales. So with this software, so you can generate income, okay, you can receive a unique traffic every day. So how this software works, okay, so you can find a, a content that related with your niche, okay, then you can share it, okay, using this plugin. So here are the three major drawbacks that the creator of the software, okay, to solve the problem. So they really there's a lot of problem, or there's a lot of things if you want to have a good traffic. So right now they decided to come up their own solution, okay, so they noticed that they were getting more sales and offense after they tried this plugin, okay. So there's a lot of testimonies right here, okay, at the sales page. So what is Traffic Buddy? So this is a complete solution for viral social traffic and conversions. So link a great content to your audience that will love, and then they can still get an offering, okay, and they can receive an offers from you. So all you need is to watch the video demo, okay, this page, so that you will see the power of this software. So in this video, okay, we are inside your WordPress. So all you need is to create a campaign. And then on the campaign, all you need is to put the destination URL, okay? Example, a sales page of your affiliate link, okay, your affiliate link. Then you can put the dimension of the pop-up, okay. So there's a delay seconds, and you can preview your campaign. So in this example, we have the blog of John Loomer, okay, we choose that. He's an authority on Facebook marketing. So if someone visited that blog, then there's a pop-up and it will generate an iframe, okay. So the visitor will look at your offer, okay. So that's an amazing benefits of this plugin, okay. So all you need is to take these three simple steps. So step number one, on creating your campaign, enter the URL of the content that you wish to link to, then Step 2, you choose a URL to redirect. Okay, this can be an alternative call to action inside the WordPress, so you can include images, headlines, text as you wish. Then choose a social network. It may be Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, then share it, okay, on your wall, on your with your friends. Okay, so that's it, and so fast and easy you can set up with multiple campaigns in just minutes. So this is the power, okay, of TrafficBuddy. Okay, so here's the screenshot. Okay, you can share it with some social networks. Okay, so you can host your TrafficBuddy on your own website instead on on other platform. Okay, so the good thing here is there's no recurring subscription fee to deal, so you can save a lot of money. Okay, it can give you peace of mind. Okay, then it's super easy to set up your campaign. Okay, in just a minute you can run your campaign. Then can build your list with highly targeted content, so you don't even have to write yourself. It's like having professional writer on staff without the weight or the expense. Okay, so there's two redirect option inside the TrafficBuddy. It gives you a complete control over your visitors experience. Redirect visitors to any URL of your choice, or display your own custom call to action on the curated content inside an exit path created within the WordPress editor. Okay, then TrafficBuddy install in just a minute from inside your WordPress dashboard. No complicated tech issue, no stress over. So it's easy to implement. Get your first campaigns up and running in a minute flat, so you start collecting leads and getting sales almost immediately. Gain full control over your links because they're hosted on your own site. You don't even need to worry about any funny business from platform vendors. Okay, so the delay option allows visitors enough time to read the article link to and understand how your related offer in the exit path helps solve their problems. And this setup and sales and it's set up for your sales and openings. So if you're running a feed traffic to your links, the delay feature helps in the event of manual review. All the reviewer will see a helpful article on a quick glance. Okay, so and many more. So right now, what's the catch if you grab this TrafficBuddy? So you will receive some cool bonuses. Okay, so bonus number 1, the Ola bar. So the value is $47. Okay, so it can use to promote special offers. Okay, display the alerts. Okay, so bonus number 2, the social share. So it giving you the visitor a reward to share your content. It is proven to increase your traffic, open, and sales. Then bonus number 3, so you will receive a content hero. People love content contest. Okay, social contest hero is a WordPress plugin that's sure to increase your subscriber list. Okay, and bonus number 4, the blog page builder. So the value is $67. You can create high converting landing pages to your blog posts or to your product pages, okay, to get more conversion. Bonus number 5, the social fall. So social fall is a robust yet complete WordPress plugin to create and manage poll effectively. Bonus number 6, the WP Labels Pro. So WP Labels Pro allow you to add professional labeling option to your product review images and callouts and other information to help you visit or understand the advantage of your product offers. Bonus number 7, the pop-up survey pro. Okay, you can display the most recent Facebook posts from public pages in the sidebar widget of your WordPress blog. And bonus number 8, the social share tip. Okay, it display the most recent Facebook posts from public pages in the sidebar widget of your blog, of your WordPress blog. So the total value of the bonuses is worth $276. So these bonuses will be directly delivered inside your members area. Okay, so what are you waiting for? You can grab this and you can absolutely risk free. Okay, so if you want to install it on a single site, so it's only $17. So it's normally $47 a year. So if you have a lot of website, you can install this unlimited website with only that can cost you $27.27. So this is the best deal for everyone. Okay, so grab it today and you can receive a money back guarantee, okay, within 30 days. If you are not satisfied, so just email the support and you can receive your money. So for me, okay, I highly recommend this software if you want to save money and you want to generate viral traffic, more sales to your business, whatever niche you are promoting or you are involved. Okay, so all you need to do is to click the link below on this video, or inside this video you will see the link. Okay, and grab your bonuses. So hurry, because this is a limited time offer only. So thank you very much and God bless.